This is one of the first times we've ever seen Rue lay down. And it doesn't last long. What you doing, Rue? You're getting so tall. In fact, we took off her extra small harness today. But the extra small was still too big, so she doesn't have a harness on right now. You're going to knock that over on yourself and scare yourself. Oh, now there's something else to go look at.
Hello.
I'm going to go get her ice. What is that, Rue? We gave her a big block of ice. What is that? What is it? Standing on it. That'll give you something to do while you're in there. What you doing, girlie? You ready to call it a day? You've been out a lot today. Yes, you have. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Good girl. Good girl.